Okay, here I am again. Now we're gonna start coloring this thing, and I'm gonna use just regular crayons. You remember last night I did the outline and everything, so I'm gonna try to look for a color. If you have a crayon at home, which I think you do, you're gonna find a color similar to we call a skin tone. Vamos a tratar de buscar un crayon que se parezca más a la piel. Now it can be beige or cream, or it can be a little bit brown like this one. We can mix both of them. Podemos mezclar ambos si quieren, depende del color de tono que tú quieras darle a la piel. It depends, we can mix it. It depends on what tone of skin you want to give to your character. So I'm gonna make mine a little bit brownish. So we're gonna start super light first. We don't gonna put too much pressure yet to the coloring, because I want to make sure later on I'm gonna use to do some shadows. Some areas in your skin are a little bit darker because see, the sun is here. Don't forget, the light is coming from this area, so this part of her face is gonna be a little bit darker. So it's super easy to do this with crayons. Now if you want to do a uniform color means everything is going to be the same shade. Now make sure you color it right, because I know some of you guys like to make, okay, let me see, I'm going to do here an example. Some of you guys like to do this way. We're going to try to make it even. So that's the whole purpose of learning art. So I'm gonna put a little bit more pressure over here because the hair is in this part of her face. And so on. Okay. Now let's pretend I finished. Now I want to talk a little bit about the sky, because so many of you get confused about the sky. I'm going to use two kinds of blue. I'm going to use a light blue and a little bit darker. It's mostly like a purple because I don't have any more crayons. So I'm going to start with the light color here, or you can start with darker blue. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. So then we're going to go all the way to the top. Because do you remember last night I was telling you, I was telling you in the other video, the sky is not just a blue line on top. The sky is all over. My sky here doesn't have any clouds. Do you remember what color are the clouds? If you go outside your house or your apartment, and if you put attention to the sky, the clouds are usually white. Now what you're gonna tell me, so how about the sun rays? The sun. Oh, this is green. Jeez. This guy the Yaris got the wrong color. I just gotta make the sun a little bit orange because it's a springtime sun. And I just gonna do some rays. Voy a hacerle los rayitos del sol. Parece una esponja. It looks like a big sponge here. I'm gonna use a lighter orange. And then I try to blend this thing. So, because I don't know if you notice the sun, when you look at the sun sometimes you cannot see the blue of the sky because the sun is too bright. Can burn your eyes. I used to do that thing when I was a kid, and my mom used to be, no, don't do that. It's gonna have a headache. I'm making a video right now. So I'm making a video about how to color. Don't forget, as I told you, the sky is a whole thing blue. Okay. And then after that you're gonna finish your work. And for the trees, also the trees, you can use two kind of greens. One is gonna be darker. It depends where you wanna give it the lighter shades. I don't think I have a darker green here in my box. I'm gonna check later. So that's the whole idea about coloring with crayons. So don't forget that. See you later.